Martin, and welcome to another DIY design. We are all doing our part to stay home and stay safe, which means we might be looking for things to do around the house, create special moments for our family, and really inspired by Easter this weekend, I thought, let me share with you some tips to create a beautiful spring tablescape. I'm a firm believer that it's all about the ambiance that you create that makes any occasion, celebration, or event really unforgettable. So for me, it's all about taking my knowledge as a design expert to not only decorate spaces, but also decorate tables. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with our centerpiece by placing down a beautiful table runner. On top of this, I'm placing an ivy door wreath, just like that, for a touch of green. Now in the center, we can go ahead and place a beautiful floral arrangement. These are fake or artificial or faux tulips. So they look super real, so I don't mind using that in this case. Again, it's mainly a demo purpose, but if you can't get real flowers, then by all means I do suggest that. We have basically three elements. We have a table runner, we have a door wreath, and then we have a rustic vase here in the center with the florals right on top. Now let's actually work on each of the individual place settings, okay? Okay, so what do we need now? We need plates. These are as simple as can be, plain white. However, I am gonna place a decorative dessert plate on top that actually goes with our theme. And then at that point, you can really see how it actually changes. This looks really good. Now we need napkins. Here is a very inexpensive napkin ring decor hack, if you will. So these are actually grapevine wreaths that I got for like 19 cents at an arts and crafts store. So I love them because obviously it brings the outdoors in. We have that organic woven texture. So they make the perfect napkin rings for your cloth napkins. Easy as that. And for drink glasses, once again, my melamine collection for outdoors. But I love the stripes. It looks super cute on the table. So I'm turning the Easter eggs into place card holders just by putting the person's initial on the egg with a sticker, and I have these stickers from different projects. That way your family member knows exactly where they sit. You know, decorating a table is like decorating a room. You want to build up different layers to create lots of visual interest for the people that are sitting around the table. So yes, you want to make sure that your food tastes good, but at the same time, you want to create a beautiful setting to enhance that experience. At least that's what I believe. And the final touch is to insert these silk tulips inside the napkin rings for a pop of color and to really tie the entire spring theme together. And now we have a beautiful table setting that screams, spring has sprung, full of bright colors and different elements that bring the outdoors inside. As a design expert, this is my way of bringing joy into a home, and I know that you can do the same. Happy spring. If you liked this video, don't forget to follow me on social media, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again, this is Martin with DIY Design.